So I wanted to show off a little game competition that I joined at the end of May and show what I did and talk a little bit about the competition. Tried a few of the other entrants. The voting is over in a couple of days, and I hadn't voted all of the required entries that I had to vote on. So I believe there were 17 entrants, but 10 people created some video games. Um, TINS is not speed hack, is what the competition is. It's based, of course, on speed hack, which was an Allegro.cc community game jam that happened every year. Well, not every year, but I participated in 2006, 2007, and I think 2008, although I'm not sure if I put in three entries. But anyways, it was a lot of fun when I did it back then. Of course, when I was in my early 20s. And so it's been quite a while since I've done a game hack. There was also a blitz hack. Anyway, I'm rambling. But these were the rules for TINS. You had to create a zoo-related game with some kind of levels, like overflow, catastrophic overflow is the name of the rule. And you had to base something around a science fiction author of your choice. And you had to have a quick save or quick load feature. And there was also a bonus rule that you could use to eliminate one of the other rules by just dropping in this prompt into an LLM of your choice. So I tried to do all the rules, including the last one to get rid of getting quick save, but it didn't really matter. So I was just going to go over my entry, which was called Escape AI. And the zoo is under new management. So this was the game that I decided to create using Claude Code. It's a 72-hour competition, so you only have so much time. I knew there was going to be a lot of slop in this game by doing it this way. But you pick your animal that you want. And there's my name. Sangaroo, I'll call him. And we'll just hit play. So we've got some nice AI slops.
The machines we built to serve us learned to rule us. The steel cities run on their logic now. Every zoo answers to the network. We cannot win this as men. We have technology to transfer our human souls into the imprisoned creatures now. Wake up in their skin. Open the gates. Run.
So I did this by just putting in some prompts in ChatGPT to give me that image. And this is where the AI slop begins, because it's got all these instructions for how to play the game. Pretty detailed, but it seemed to be a really big problem with a lot of players, as I'll show. And so yeah, there's feeding and all this stuff and whatever. Let me just go play, which is what most people are gonna do. And so the general idea here, my character has a quest. Each animal has different quests, and so they also have different abilities. So the kangaroo has a jump ability, and there's this human-like overflow bar that you just basically have to go slow near the robots, or they will think that you're an animal and return you to your cage. And so I'll just grab a whole bunch of peanuts here. Loading up on peanuts. You get two food items per. Oh, I don't want to go that way. So you can't hold shift to run. Well, now that I've got some peanuts. No, wait. I got peanuts. I want to go get some elephants in that case. So I just go to the elephants here. I'm gonna feed them. And it is multiplayer. So if other players are here, they'll capture these animals too, and you can feed the animals that other people have following them. So I'm just gonna go, and we'll see. The robots will come and take elephants away as you go. You can go slow, and they won't. But okay, now I've got to get these guys out of the zoo, and they're just got to keep feeding them basically, or they'll stop following me. But I also have to make sure they don't get caught by the robots. So the robots, the movement seems really strange on the robots. I don't really know why, but there is a little helper arrow to tell you where to go. It's not always correct, but it usually is. Let's see here. Okay. Fed them all again. Please don't get caught by the robots. No. Come on. Oh, jeez. I need to get at least 2 out. I'm just gonna run and go. Just run and go. Get out of here. My elephants got stuck, but I escaped with 4 of them anyway. So that's the general idea of the game. Now I've respawned as an owl. Everything's AI slot. These are the Claude owls that Claude drew for me. But there is a leaderboard. So it's just a public leaderboard. You press L and you just see the whole leaderboard. And so you can see there's... Oh, I wonder what these probes are. Somebody's probing me. Probably some... Oh, I wonder what those are actually. Spike. I'm very curious about those actually. So you can see here a lot of players just stayed for a minute or 2, and very few people actually have a score and escaped with anything. Most of these are actually me. And you can see me, Derezo, I'm at the top. I don't think I'm Poop, but Test was probably me. I wasn't Reef either. Kangaroo Man was actually me. Birdie was not me. So there's a few people haven't actually got in here played it, but I did see some players in here when I was just released it, when I first announced that it was finished. But there was a few fixes I put in after the fact. It's not in the source code in my submission, but you can see here there's a little mini map, for example, at the very bottom. It's not very good, but so one of the things that is the overflow rule is you can press Q at the robot and you can see this panic meter starts to go up. And if there's a bunch of robots around, and part of the idea was that the panic meter is actually global. Oh, jeez. Oh, I got caught there. The panic meter is actually global, so if there's a lot of players doing the Q to order the robots to stop, because robots will stop when they're coming at you or anything if you press Q in time, like that one just did. Oh, that robot's not a real robot. So, but you can see my panic meter going up, and if I just go back and forth here, maybe I can just hammer it. Yeah, I can. It'll go into lockdown mode. And so the lockdown mode is a global mode, and the robots just are going nuts here all the time. So it'll be really hard to get your animals out if you're trying to bring them to the exit. And the idea is just to bring... there's not really any point. It will cycle through all the animals, although I haven't played them all. I don't know if I've ever been the parent, for example. But there's food for all the different animals. Well, food for all the different animals, and I don't know. It just it was really fun to make it. There's a lot of AI slop in here though, and that was kind of intentional. I knew there was going to be a lot of AI slop. I had to do it in 72 hours. I was just hammering through it. If I spent another few days on this, I could probably get it down. Get the AI slop part of it down, make the graphics just a little bit better, and make the controls better as well. I think it's got too many controls. The abilities are all totally chosen by Claude. I did not pick any abilities. I just said I want the animals to have abilities. I don't even know what they all are. I think they're all listed on the species there. Yeah, so like each one, there's speed burst. Cheetah gets a speed burst. This owl, where's the owl there? He's got hush. Oh, it drains the panic off of the panic meter, so I could have used that. And there's just different little things. The elephant's kind of neat. You go and you gotta push over all the terminals as part of his quest. So each one has a quest as well. I didn't totally shape the quest. I did tell Claude just, give me these 16 animals. I think it's 16, or it's supposed to be 16. Or however many, 12 maybe, I don't know. Or it's more than 12, 15 animals? I don't know. Anyway, give me these animals, give them each an ability, give them side quests, And, you know, there was points where I was like, these quests are too hard, or these quests are too stupid, or whatever, and I was like, you can't tell what's going on with it. I can't tell what I'm supposed to do in the quest. Give me the hints and give me the arrows and stuff. So, you know, you get all this extra AI slop. Nice here where, you know, it gives you some more information. So I'm supposed to hush the alarm. So I think all you gotta do for that one is just use your ability. And so you can see I advanced the quest there. And now it's return to my roost, which is just right here. So there, I've completed the quest for the owl. Pretty easy. Use your ability and then go to the thing. And there's a couple other quests that are really simple like that. But you can see in the leaderboard, there's a steal option. And so I was hoping that this would somehow get done. But it's when you steal a animal from another player. So if an animal's following a player and you steal it from them, you get these steal points. I think you actually have to escape with them, but that gives you the highest score contribution out of any of the other scores. Anyways, it was a lot of fun to make this game, even though it's pretty stupid. But I don't know if it would be fun if there was a bunch of players playing. I think it kind of would, but I don't think anybody's gonna. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, which you must be really bored, because this is a long video. Drop me a comment or something. Let me know what you think.